It's like a corn thing with like peanuts and stuff. I don't remember the name. Oh, I don't remember the name of it. Oh, this is nice. Vendors.
Let's start from the beginning and walk down.
Okay. Look at the dog nuts. They're big as hell. The dog nuts. They're not big.
They are.
Hibachi fries. Ooh. We're at Smorgasburg in Williamsburg. Carmel. Thank you.
Thank you.
Super cool, isn't it? This is nice. He tastes good. He tastes good.
It better taste good.
Oh my god. I'm gonna fall out back. Ugh. She said nasty, no sugar. Oh man, that's how this shit tastes? This is some white people stuff. I'm drinking it though, because I'll spend my money.
Can I get the empanada? Organic chicken. The chicken. Yeah. Huh? Two. Yeah. Big ass. Big ass.
It's so small. You like it? Yeah, it's alright. Huh? They have better. It's not bad. Okay. Oh, it's very hot. That's really good. Alright, triple fries.
Do a video.
Do you wanna show your face?
Curry ketchup on some fries, girl.
Truffle fries.
From Home Fry.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Chicken. Wait, what was it? What's it? Chicken dumplings? Single order.
Alright, ready?
Hey guys, this is Carmel. You ain't see her in a minute. That's
We're
right.
about to try these fries. Oh my gosh, I hope it's delicious.
That'll be good.
Go from here.
Try the curry thing with it.
Ready?
I rather ketchup.
I'm gonna try it again.
I'm not feeling the sauce. It's not giving.
This is not curry ketchup.
What is it? It's probably ranch or something. It better not be ranch this lady give me. I said ketchup when I order it. Like a lemon
Like a
something
chipotle ranch or garlic.
Oh, she
lemon
definitely
garlic
gave us ranch. She violated.
It's not that bad. You get used to it.
I don't like ranch.
I don't think it's ranch. It's just garlic and aioli.
I want ketchup. I'm not the ketchup. Can I have ketchup, please?
What sauce is this?
Is it ranch?
Ranch.
Oh, see, I said ketchup. They put ranch on it.
She had asked for ketchup and they put ranch on it.
I have it, thank you.
I mean,
Come on, she's saying what, like she don't hear what she said.
I want my fry though.
She put the. I was about to eat it.
Right, ready? Video.
What we going? You want to go sit for a little bit?
Handmade dumpling.
Oh.
Somebody sitting here with you?
Sure.
Do you mind?
Ooh, ice cream.
Just try.
It's good?
Yeah.
Where you got that from?
Oh, Bonner.
Over here. Here.
Somewhere?
Right
Okay.
there.
Okay, yeah, we gonna get that.
Marshmallow about silver.
Oh, I never had that before, and that look good.
Oh, that's not next, but that will be after we finish going down the line trying
Everything.
almost everything.
Look.
Look so simple. Where did you get it?
Oh, it's right here.
Right here, home fry.
I already took one fries, but
So that's one
Yeah,
sauce.
these are good.
She literally she took her fries back. You was serious, wasn't you? Oh,
Right.
dirty.
Those be better with French or ketchup.
I was gonna buy 2 fries. Come so you buying 2?
I'm like, girl, no.
I mean,
Look how big this is.
yeah, that's good.
I wouldn't have finished this.
Really? I think I would have.
I had steak,
Oh, cause she ate. I ain't eat nothing.
steak, empanada, like these dumplings. You think
Oh.
you know chopsticks?
You got pineapples on there too.
It come with pineapple salsa.
Look at it.
Give me another ketchup.
It's saucy, man. Ranch sauce is bothering me. I got something in my mouth. I can't even see y'all.
I don't know, guys. Home Fright's customer service is not the best because they got our sauce wrong and they didn't apologize. And then when I asked for more ketchup, she was acting like she couldn't give me some ketchup.
Really?
You gave me a whole thing of the wrong sauce, miss, and you didn't even say sorry.
Right. She was acting like she didn't know. She didn't hear what the girl said. Talking about what? Like I knew I said ketchup. I'm like, what is this?
And I want a double dip. So I need my own ketchup. Okay?
I want to double dip. That's crazy. Who gave you that to? The lady or the girl?
They give me an attitude. It's just
Like you want more ketchup again? Like you just
like,
got
girl, I just gave you ketchup, but it's like, miss, if you gave me the right ketchup and the right sauce in the first place,
we'll have to come ask for it again.
I'll have to come
and
ask
it's
you.
2 of us, so. But look what I did. I found a spot for the fries. You can see. I can't see. Can you see?
I see like a glare, but it's recording.
Oh, there go the fries. I see it.
Right, so I'm about to try these jerk chicken dumplings with pineapple salsa.
Can I have one?
From, of course, hello, everything is split.
Okay.
From Destination
Oh yeah, we
Dumpling.
doing like she buy, I buy. That's how we doing it.
Okay.
Okay.
Look at her natural.
I can't hold it properly.
You did it. That's it.
Is it?
Just hold it. Put your fingers lower.
Oh. Listen, I don't know.
Smells okay.
I don't know if I'm holding this right.
Yes.
That's really good. It's alright.
You can give me some more pineapple salsa. It's spicy.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay.
They have fresh dumpling wrap. The dumpling wrap is everything.
I need something to drink. I drink all my matcha juice because I didn't drink because I don't want to throw it away.
Same. It's nasty, but I'm going to drink it.
Yep. That was $4, man. Could have bought one of them drinks from there. I want a blueberry drink from there. Should have told her to get a pineapple.
I
Nah.
want a pineapple.
But she said it's all the way at the end, so we're gonna have to.
I don't want to buy nothing from them no more.
You're right. We ain't giving no more money.
No more money.
She lucky I gave her a tip too. I was not
And
gonna
she's
give
still
her no
acting
tip.
stingy. You know what? Take the tip money out of the jar and put it towards the ketchup since you acting like that.
Seriously. Oh, I see they have Korean chicken over there. Fried chicken? It's right there.
Japanese.
No. Oh, Japanese? Yeah, Japanese. Why I said Korean? I haven't tried that before. I don't think I have
Pick
tried
another one if you want.
No. Nice.
Not
Turkey
really
dumpling is filling. It's good, but then there's fries too.
Oh, you got one.
I'm thirsty. I want something to drink. Look.
Little people.
So cute.
Wow.
So cute.
I know somebody that has a fear of them.
A fair?
Of little people.
People have that? Why?
Hell yeah. She she go running. And
What
crying
you
and
mean
shit.
she going running? Are you serious?
Yes.
Bro, what? What we had before that? We had nothing before that. Oh, yeah,
I had the
you
beef.
had the beef thing.
That tried to kill me.
That shit went up your nose. Your eyes was
It
watering.
even
and
burned my
everything.
mouth. It burned my nose. Like, what is that poison?
Alright, let's try this again. Hey.
It was like, yeah, you're not biting through me. Put the whole thing in your mouth.
I hope it don't rain.
So far, it's burning. I
Yeah.
said it's not gonna rain till it says 5 o'clock. So we got 2 more hours.
Oh, that is a little spicy.
That thing hit. I ain't gonna lie.
You can want to know?
No, this ain't going on my nose. This ain't spicy. That's spicy to me.
Oh, I thought about something.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get up. Wait, when you had that, you always had that?
What?
That on your nose?
Yes. Well,
Is it a piercing or just a?
I didn't have it in cookies, but I had it after cookies.
Oh.
Yes, it's real. There's a real hole in my nose.
I
That's for a long time though.
I saw that before. I thought it was like a fashion thing. I didn't know it was actually pierced.
Yeah.
Your nose was pierced.
It's real.
I thought about that the other day. If I should get this thing right here, I don't really like this.
The septum?
That might get my nose pierced. After I took out my wisdom tooth though. Oh child,
It's alright.
I'm scared.
So you do what?
Take my wisdom tooth out.
Yeah. It gonna hurt.
All four of them. Damn girl.
Oh, well, it's best to just do it one time.
Yeah. My little sister, she went to go do it the other day because we were talking about it, and then she got all four of them pulled out. She texted me the other day. She was like, "It's not that bad. It was real quick." Because I tagged her in a video on Instagram. I'm like, "Girl," but that girl has said that she didn't take the meds quickly. That's why she was in so much pain.
Yeah, once you got good pain management, you don't feel nothing.
I don't though. My pain tolerance is low.
Me too. But on good meds, you're fine. Okay, that was okay. It wasn't feeling as you thought. It didn't really do nothing.
These files, we gotta finish these files before we get up. Come on, we got too much shit in our hand.
Alright, I'm gonna throw this out. I'm gonna finish this. I want my hand clear by the time I get that pineapple.
That's what I'm saying.
But we have a long way down. We have to still get Japanese chicken. Oh, she got my sandals on. I don't have them on today.
Oh, you
I didn't wear them because it's gonna rain.
Oh.
You're not ruining my sandals. Them shits are still new. This is not cheap.
What's that? What is it?
Huh?
What is it? What are they?
Teva?
Who?
Teva.
Who's Teva?
That's the name of the brand.
Well, I thought you were talking about the purse brand.
The purse?
Yeah, Teflon, whatever you want to call it.
Oh, Teflar. I might get that purse. I'm normally not a purse person. Like, I'm not gonna spend the money, but I think I might like that bag. I might.
Me too. I thought about it. I said it to him, I'm like, because it's only $150, but then again, that is kind of, because I saw it in person. I'm
I
like,
never spend that much on nobody bag.
Me too.
But
and I saw it in person, so I'm like, I still might, you know.
it's okay.
I did sign up for it.
I might get the big version. I don't like the little one.
Oh, I know. I wanted a small, tiny one. But then again, should I buy that price for a small bag? I don't know. That's why I'm like, should I get
I might buy it for Christmas for my daughter, maybe.
Ooh, she gonna be, Sheila gonna be like, ooh.
Starting on the girl.
She's like, ooh, you can't talk to me.
She already got a boyfriend.
That boy? That's her boyfriend?
The one with the locks.
Do you have locks? The slim one?
The very skinny dark chocolate one.
Okay. I figured. I wanted her to dance though.
Huh?
I wanted her to dance. I never saw her dance. But you know.
She could dance. She was supposed to, but
Yeah. I like. You were so funny, yo. When I was editing that video, I was laughing at you because you came in singing like when Soulja Boy came on. You turned around and you saw me and then you were like this and then you started singing and you was coming out. Yo, I was cracking up the whole time. I'm like, yo, Carmen is a mess. You don't even know how funny she is. I was dying. I'm like, oh my god. I don't know. Maybe because I laugh at everything. I don't know. I just find shit funny. The other people don't find funny. I just be laughing.
like, Fry, you disappearing. Where are you going?
I think I was playing. I'm wearing my outfits. Wearing these outfits that I bought from Shein.
Oh, is that from Shein?
Yeah, my back rolls and everything showing. Think I care?
It's cute.
It's summertime. Thank you. With my fupa and all.
I should have got that dress for my trip.
Oh yeah, you out.
I got a dress, but
Only one? What you gonna say?
yeah, that's it. I got 2 dresses actually.
2?
Yes.
Wait, how long you going away?
5 days.
Oh, you got other outfits.
Well, 4 nights, 5 days. I got, I'm gonna bring a bunch of clothes.
Ooh, it's a big one. I got the big one.
It's gonna be like 97 degrees out there.
Wait, where you going again?
A day outfit and a night
Look
outfit.
at that drink. I need that drink. That's the drink I need.
What?
The blueberry drink you just crossed by with. But you said, don't give us, I know, don't give them more money.
I mean, you can. I have to learn how to be. Just remain nice.
Nah, I'm gonna ride somewhere. No worries. Go somewhere else and buy a drink.
I want the pineapple drink.
Yeah. Hey, where you going again?
Next?
No, where you going on your trip?
Oh, Houston.
Oh. I keep thinking you're going out of the country. I keep saying that.
You said why nobody going out the country?
No, I said, why I'm keep thinking that you're going out of the country?
Not this time.
People out here all booed up. And I'm the only single one. Child.
Your time will come.
Whenever that time is, whatever. Now they got small ones in the bottom. I keep seeing, yeah, we definitely gonna get one of them pineapple drinks. Everybody got them.
This is not what I was trying to do. I was trying to pour this out so we could get to it. Ah! I'm gonna eat it though.
I'm done. This is messy. I'm thirsty. I need something refreshing like that. Oh, we passed the I see a sugar cane spot.
What are you talking about?
That has coconut water and sugar cane. That's what I should have done.
I don't really like coconut water.
Refreshing. You from the islands? You don't like coconut water?
I'm Haitian.
From the islands, you don't like
We don't
coconut
drink
water?
that.
Like I said, y'all don't have coconut water in Haiti?
I'm a coconut.
Yes, it's coconut.
It don't taste like that. It just tastes like
Is it? What you mean you don't?
nasty water.
What you mean you don't taste like that? I've been seeing them on Church Avenue. I mean, it does taste different. I don't know. You can never. I don't think you can know where to get a good coconut. Cause I don't know. Unless you go back home.
This low key in the end tastes good. It tastes like green tea water.
It is green tea.
I know, but like green tea, like water, like water flavored green tea. Like it was meant to have no taste. It's refreshing a little
Look,
bit.
it looks stupid.
It don't look stupid because nobody looking at that part of your hand.
But it feels big. It's about to fall off. Look at my hand.
Aye. Cut it out. All right, y'all. What do we get?
John's juice.
Now.
See that here?
There you go. No problem.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, I thought that one. That was good. Thank you. Is this? It's not for refill, girl. Oh, that's even better. I think I'm gonna do that inside with the blueberry thing.
Like it's gonna make you mad full.
It is big. It's so good. We drinking. Too bad I don't have alcohol in there. Well, Carmel don't drink.
I think they would have hit.
But you don't drink. Like that.
I would have today. I would have drank it. Homemade Korean soul food.
Egg. But what's the name of it? Potato.
Potato hot dog.
Oh yeah. Okay. This one is the sweet potato one. The
No,
sauce.
yeah, sweet potato hot dog.
Oh, that sauce look like that.
Like cum. Fucked up cum. Why it's so yellow? They don't drink no water.
Carmel. Yo. No. What's the sauce? What's the name of the sauce again? I think it's cheesy something. She said. Carmel's. Let me try this. I don't like that.
Let me taste the tip.
Girl. Oh yeah, we got the pineapple. She's literally. Are you done?
I told you.
Pineapple drink. Caramel is finished.
Of course.
I'm
I'm
done?
almost done. Yeah, look.
Like, I can't even see.
I'm thirsty.
You see?
I can't see what's happening, but I hope it's good.
Oh man. Okay. I need to go hurry up because my phone was hot last time. There it is. Let me move this. Try it. Break it. That looks so weird.
Give me some of this dirt.
Yeah. See, there go the hot dog right there.
That's it.
I don't even eat that hot dog. I don't know the last time I had a hot dog, but I always wanted to try this.
Cheese.
Huh?
It's not cheese.
I forgot the sauce what she said.
It's mustard.
Cheesy mustard. You like it?
I don't like mustard.
It is good. I like it. The sauce is given weird.
Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes on me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. In a the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon and real blessed.
Oh, pineapple. This was, how much is this again? $10. And we stole this $2, so I want to try to. So instead of buying another drink, you could just do this, right? Should have gotten a different sauce. I'm not. The sauce is throwing me off.
I'm about to blow up.
You want to do what?
I'm about to explode.
Oh, you full? I'm nowhere near full.
I'm fast.
Yeah, I want ice cream.
Oh yeah, that for sure. That's the next thing I want.
That's the next thing. I thought that was for last. She thought that's the next
That is my last. I can't sit no more food in here.
she got the itis for real.
I'm over here yawning. It's nap time, girl. Yeah, 3.9. It's nap time.
She got the itis for real. Y'all hear her? Karma over here yawning.
You can tell I don't get out. I work on the baby schedule. Oh, y'all sleeping? Okay, I'm sleeping too.
Facts. That's how it gotta be. Else you ain't gonna. You're not gonna get no rest.
You live their life. You tired? I'm tired too. I don't know when to start.
She's a hot mess. Yo, I'm tired of these. Like the paper straws gotta go. I understand we're trying to save the hurt and everything, but come on now.
How about they just make sure where it goes? Make sure it go where it's supposed to.
Like paper straws. The sun went down. We preparing for our next.
It's taking a break.
Our next location. They got Philly cheesecake. You know I never had a Philly cheesecake. Oh, that's from Philly. It said South Philly cheesecake. I never saw that. I thought
Philly cheesecake it tastes better here in New York.
Probably. Oh, it does.
I mean, I ain't never been to a spot like we need to go to a spot like a black owned spot in the ghetto.
Oh, they're not back home.
I don't know. They would have.
They're black people, right? With the guy in the app.
Maybe it tastes good, but I know we went to Philly and we had it from the popular Philly place.
Oh,
Nasty as fuck.
And it wasn't black owned.
No, well, it didn't look black owned. It was nasty. Both of them. Geno's, nasty. The one across the street from it, nasty. I'm like, this is it? This is not it.
So, I need ice cream. Yeah, I never had it. I thought I was gonna try it.
Black owned, because they season their shit.
You ever tried the thing? What that thing called that people be trying? That's it's like in, I think they made it in Harlem. Some of that shit. It's coming. They make it in the corner store.
Chopped cheese?
Yeah. You ever had that? Yeah. It's good? Oh, I never had it. I never had it. I said I was gonna try it and I never did. I'm scared. A little bit like Philly cheesecake?
Yeah, it tastes like a Philly cheesesteak, but it's really a burger chopped up.
Oh, okay. With onions and all that stuff?
Onions, peppers, mayo, ketchup, mayo.
Is it greasy?
Of course.
I can't have that then.
I can only eat half of it.
My chest is gonna hurt.
If I buy it, I have to split it with somebody because I ain't eating that whole shit. Cause last time I went, I was like, I can't eat this shit.
Yeah, it looks very.
I feel like my arteries are gonna get clogged. There's a couple of things that when I eat it, you know it's bad for your body.
I'm saying, yep, the burger.
It's time to stop eating
Yeah.
shit.
Especially when you don't eat it that often too. That's another thing.
I think for me, that's the thing. I don't eat.
Yeah.
So I stopped eating fast food. And let's say I decide I want to dip and dab in it.
Right.
I feel like it's killing me.
Yeah, that's how I feel too. That's what I be doing
I
sometimes.
get so used to not having it.
Yep.
I stopped eating McDonald's completely for years.
Me too.
Wendy's, I stopped eating that for years. The only time I eat Wendy's is like baked potatoes.
Yeah. Yeah, I did try. Like I said, I don't eat it like that too. But I always go to Burger King for the fries.
I don't eat Burger King. I don't eat nothing. I eat nothing. Chick-fil-A every once in a blue. My go-to that I eat a lot of is like tacos.
She loves tacos.
I can eat tacos
I can't.
all day, every day.
That's not my thing.
Oh my god. I'm tired.
Let's go. Let's get up.
Let's walk. I cannot sit here.
Look at the thing. I want this right here. I can't get it.
Don't eat it yet. If you want to refill.
Oh yeah, we gotta refill. Oh yeah. Yo, how we gonna eat it anyway? How we gonna take it out? Cause it's literally right there. It looks like you could eat it, but it's like the bottom. Carmel was falling asleep.
We should have bought the blanket. I would take a nap on the grass.
I didn't even know that was gonna do that. We should have bought a blanket.
Took a nap on the grass.
Garbage. I should have taken a nap on the grass. I didn't even know. I didn't even think of that, to be honest. Should bought a blanket for real. Lay down. Took a nice nap. Quick nap.
Alright, y'all. Rejuvenated. Let's go.
But she literally falling asleep. She's sleepy for real. That happened to me too. I got the itis. We're getting a refill.
Eric? That's so good. Look at that. Oh, you in the spoon? Thank you. Ooh, look, I tried a blueberry. Oh, you did? Yeah.
They didn't put nothing on my thing.
Oh. I have that bowl. Yeah, I have Twitter's bowls. Ooh, look at it. We got a refill. This one is the blueberry thing. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, I love it. Oh yeah.
Is they good?
I love blueberries. So I know it's gonna taste good. See, there's a it was mozzarella cheese dog. Huh? It was a mozzarella cheese dog. I forget. See?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is right there.
Yeah.
I got the wrong one. What are you getting?
It's between that one and this one.
Oh, the dandan. Okay, yeah, I want a dandan. I want a noodles. Split.
I can't eat that whole thing by myself, girl. I'm gonna eat like 2 noodles and I'm done.
Oh,
2 noodles and 1
she is really full. Oh, look at the lemonade for $6.
You don't see me?
Caramel is full. I'm not even nowhere full, to be honest. What's favorite? What's the regular shrimp, right? Yeah. We're gonna get some chopstick just to talk shit. I'm glad she got it. I just saved this to see if you're gonna get it, Carmel. Carmel said, oh no, I said it wrong. It's just a pop shit, right? Yeah, pop shit. I said it wrong. What's that?
Hey, how are you?
Hi. Can I get a dandan shrimp?
Sure. How spicy? Mild, medium, or hot?
That's a Carmel.
How do you eat it?
Not too spicy.
Mild?
Yeah, mild is fine.
Dandan shrimp mild. What's your name?
Okay. Oh, that feels so good. Watch when we go back to sit. It's gonna be the sun gonna come out again.
It needs to not.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I can't see the food. Where the food at?
You don't have it against the bottom.
Oh, cause let me close this.
Everything fried away. The rain is coming.
It's about to come. But I don't see. I'm only seeing me. I don't see you. And because you're so tall, Cornell, put this all the way out. I think that's better. All right. Are you good?
us when we eat. All right. We have, what do I, oh, Dan shrimp noodles. I'm about to try it and see how it is. Move over. Okay. It smells good. I can't smell it. I don't smell it. I don't smell nothing. You said it smells good. I don't smell what you smell.
What you trying to say? Why did not come up? My hair's in my face.
One sip, Riley.
Why not?
If you don't take a sip and tag it, you won't get it. You could go until tag out.
What is this on here?
Why you look at me?
I want to see what you thought. I'm trying it again.
It's giving a bitter taste.
It's the greenery.
This is the greenery. I don't think I'm holding this thing properly. How you hold it? It's okay.
It's not giving what it's supposed to give.
Yeah, it's giving bitter. It's very, I don't know what it is. Is it lemon? You say lemon?
I don't know, but it's too damn big. Cut it out.
It's really good. It's like when you put it in, no, it's alright. The taste is giving up. What is this?
It's like spinach.
Is it spinach?
It looks like it. Or the basil.
That's not spinach taste. That's not spinach. Or maybe this is the sauce. It's very bitter. I don't like how the sauce is from here. Fire. It's not bad. It's just the sauce. Yeah, it's spinach. So maybe it's the sauce.
The baby spinach. The bitterness is coming from the spinach.
Yeah.
But it's the way to cook it.
Let me try the shrimp. They only give us 3 shrimp.
The shrimp is good.
How are we gonna split the shrimp? Give us 3 shrimp.
Bitter is the spinach.
There gotta be another sauce. Spinach don't taste like
The
this.
sauce that they put in it is sweet. The spinach is baby spinach. That's why it's not cooked all the way. So that's why it's bitter. Because it is baby spinach is bitter. That's a nice view.
The view, right? Yeah. Oh, the boat, like the boat right there. Stop right in the middle of it.
Wait, what?
A boat. See?
With the blue thing on it?
Yeah, it's a boat. Stop right, it's right there in the middle of the
That's a storage thing, no?
A storage.
Like a
I thought it was a boat. Oh shit. Like there's people on there.
Is it?
Yeah, it's moving very slow. Why did I look like one of the boats I was in last week?
Oh, you're talking about the blue and white boat.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the thing in the back.
That's definitely one of the boats like looking like the one that we was on last week. Cause this was the view that we passed too. All in buildings.
Was it fun?
It was fun. I thought I suck at it.
Good thing I washed my darn hands.
Right. I thought you knew what you was doing.
They should put a sink everywhere like that.
They should.
Like everywhere.
Like on the street too, right? Like
especially at the park.
yeah. Look, do that. Spin it around. Easy. Spin it around.
Not the one who was just struggling teaching me. I like to slurp.
You didn't see that.
What you do? You I ain't see it, but I figured it out what you did. Sucking on the cup. I mean, spoon.
think this is gonna fill me up. That's the one, the ice cream.
Yeah, that's the last.
That's the last thing. Yeah, the ice cream. I think we had enough. I want a sugar cane too. I don't like a piece of sugar cane.
You should have corn.
I don't like that though. You don't?
Like,
I would like
the one that we got from when we went to what's that place we went to? Remember? Off 410.
The taco bake?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know.
I forgot. Well, we came and did what we said we were gonna do. I did as much as possible.
I taste lemon.
Yeah, it's definitely lemon.
That's why it's so bitter. There's the lemon. You don't want the spinach coming out. It's not the spinach. The lemon.
I'm telling you, the spinach is bitter. Eat the spinach by itself.
I did. I tried it. It's the sauce, the lemon that they cooked it with.
I made it. Okay.
The spinach. We gotta share this shrimp. I'm mad they gave us 3 shrimp and it's 2 of us. Like, give us 4. Break it. Break it and equal. And you don't even eat the thing of the tail.
You can eat it.
My tail is like, you know it's meat. You don't want to share it. You know it's meat in the shrimp, right? In the tail, right?
Yeah. Okay, eat it.
Look at it, full. Let me fix it for you.
Better look.
Yes, that's how it's supposed to be clean. Look, this is it. Ew, I got it.
Plan तो कुछ भी नहीं है. I just wanted to come here थोड़ा come.
Ew, I don't got it. I'm about to start this bitch.
Come on.
I think I'm a little distracted.
Oh,
No,
God.
it's
Look
I
at
think
this.
my never mind. I'm standing there.
Bro, you was funny. What are you doing?
Sorry, मैं ना
This girl is funny.
नहीं वो मैं
You ever think about somebody that's funny and they don't know that they're funny? Like she they be doing. I just be laughing at my friends.
I'm dead serious.
And they be really like, look at me like, why?
Whatever.
Like, what you laughing at? This is funny. It's not funny.
I'm a slurp it.
But I know I can.
Now, look, you thinking me. Look at me. I know I'm not getting it.
Like, you know,
I think I'm spinning it too much.
we could hear the sound. It was so.
I need a nap.
Bro, she really got the itis, bro.
I didn't get the one with the noodles.
I ate too much. That's
got
why
the
I'm
what you-
drunk.
You ate more than me.
I should have gotten with the noodles.
And we didn't even go to the drink,
but it
though.
gets a little heavy with the
Look
noodles.
at this.
So I got
That's really gonna
the
take me
cabbage
out.
and the flour and the thing.
I'm really gonna sleep good. When I tell you I'm taking a nap when I get home, I'm taking a
कल
nap.
मुझे
That happens to you too, I'm telling you. That's with me. When I drink liquor, I'll go to bed. I feel so good.
Malaysia.
That's what it do to me. It don't make me feel good.
It made me, definitely make me feel good. It don't make you feel good, just make you sleepy. Definitely make me feel good.
game night, I think you really enjoy it.
Could do a view over there.
Actually,
I don't want people in the video because they're looking like. Don't put me in your video. Here it is. It's full. This, okay. Look, it's behind you.
Oh, I did not know my uncle.
It's our last one for the day. And we done.
That's key lime pie.
Try the key lime one. That one look good.
We're all out of strawberry. That's only what's up there.
Hopefully it tastes good. This is my first time trying this. My bag in there.
Get more
Thank you.
Got nuts in it.
Oh, is it nuts?
I don't know.
Oh, ice cream sandwiches. She getting this one. Look what I got. Ooh. So they finished. We actually stayed for the whole time. I thought we was going to leave. Oh damn, I think that people left with the sugar cane. I want a sugar cane. Alright girl, let's walk. Let me see. Show the camera what you got. That looks so good. The good. Ooh, yummy. That's some sugar cane.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So buy some sugar cane. And then this is a key lime pie. It's vegan. So is marshmallow. It's kind of sweet. But that is not Snoop Dogg. That look like Snoop Dogg on the thing, the mural. Oh, that's a Nora. It's a thought place. Okay. It's hot. Damn, yo. I had to go for open home. Cause I was hot, girl. You let me in, you're burning up.
Oh, sorry.
I'm like, this girl. At least hold the window down.
My bad. Should have left the car on while I went inside this damn thing. But then I forget to turn it off.
Sun is really beaming.
My dude, like, y'all
Ow! Right on my fucking knee. That shit hurt.